Saan naroroon? Mananalangin kami. Dahil alam namin, ang aming panalangin ang siya magpapabilis ng tagumpay. Looban mo sa ministeryong ito, sa iyong lingkod, sa aming buhay, sa aming pamilya. Maraming salamat po. My God. Now worship Him. Open your mouth and begin to thank Him. Thank Him. Open your mouth. Oria mamomo shundo yundo romo momo kata. Oh, we proclaim that our God is a mighty God. And we proclaim that our God is mighty. Oh, lift up your name. Oh, for you are holy. Singing again, all honor and glory in adoration. We bow before your throne. Dahan-dahan po tayong bumalik sa ating mga upuan while we are singing. And we proclaim that our God is a mighty God. That our God is mighty. Lift up your name. You can sit, you can stand. It's okay. And for you are holy. Singing again. All honor and glory in